Have you ever stumbled upon a creature so dazzling, so hypnotically beautiful, that every instinct inside you whispered a warning not to get too close? Nature often cloaks its most dangerous beings in breathtaking colors and patterns, as if danger and beauty were woven from the same thread. This tension between fascination and fear is exactly what draws us into today's journey. We're about to step into a world few dare to explore, a realm where tiny drops of venom can stop a heart and where a single sting can silence an ocean. These animals aren't just curiosities, they're living reminders that power often hides in unexpected forms. Some glide invisibly beneath the waves, others crawl silently across the forest floor, yet all of them share one chilling trait: a venom potent enough to change the course of a life in seconds. In this exploration, you'll discover how evolution has armed certain species with chemical weapons so sophisticated that modern science still struggles to understand them. From the depths of tropical seas to the arid deserts and lush jungles, each of the 10 creatures we're about to reveal has a story more gripping than any thriller. Their venoms can paralyze, disrupt the nervous system, or overwhelm vital organs, and yet, in many cases, they also hold the keys to life-saving medicines. What makes this list even more astonishing is not just the danger, but the contrast: creatures smaller than your fingernail ranking alongside apex predators many times your size. This paradox, fragility laced with lethal force, fuels our curiosity and keeps scientists, adventurers, and storytellers captivated. Understanding them isn't just about fear, it's about respect for the hidden balance of nature. Before we dive into the full countdown of the 10 most venomous animals on Earth, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you won't miss any of the fascinating discoveries, shocking revelations, and hidden wonders we have coming your way. Turn on notifications now so you'll always be among the first to explore the wild side of our planet with us. 1. Cone snail. Hidden beneath the sparkling waters of tropical reefs lives a creature that seems innocent, almost enchanting: the cone snail. Its shell, adorned with intricate patterns, tempts divers and collectors alike, who see nothing more than a pretty ornament. But appearances can be deceiving. Beneath that delicate exterior lies a lethal mechanism honed by millions of years of evolution. The cone snail doesn't hunt with teeth or speed, it wields a microscopic harpoon loaded with a complex venom called conotoxins. This tiny projectile can immobilize a fish in seconds, freezing muscles and shutting down vital systems while the snail consumes its prey. Scientists still marvel at its precision, unable to replicate nature's design in the lab. What makes this creature truly terrifying is the lack of any known antivenom. A single sting can be fatal to a human, leaving only minutes to react. Locals have nicknamed it the cigarette snail, hinting that the time from attack to danger is frighteningly short. This blend of beauty and lethality makes the cone snail a perfect example of nature's contradictions. Tiny yet deadly, it reminds us that in the wild, appearances are rarely a true measure of power. 2. Inland taipan. Far in the remote deserts of Australia, a serpent known as the inland taipan moves silently across sun-baked sands. Despite its relatively shy nature, it carries a venom so powerful it has earned the title of the most toxic snake in the world. A single bite contains enough poison to kill 100 adult humans. Also called the fierce snake, the inland taipan avoids human contact whenever possible. Its camouflage allows it to disappear into the arid landscape, making encounters rare. Yet when threatened or hunting, it delivers a venom strike so precise that death can follow within hours. The composition of its venom is astonishingly complex, containing neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins that attack the nervous system, blood, and muscles simultaneously. Victims may experience paralysis, internal bleeding, and organ failure, a frightening reminder of nature's raw power. Though it is deadly, the inland taipan also fascinates scientists who study its venom for potential medical breakthroughs, including treatments for blood clots and neurological disorders. Its dual identity as both threat and potential cure makes it one of the most compelling creatures on Earth. 3. Blue-ringed octopus. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the blue-ringed octopus might seem harmless at first glance. Its tiny body is decorated with vivid blue rings that appear almost like glowing jewelry. But this beauty is a warning, a signal of one of the deadliest venoms in the ocean. When threatened, The octopus flashes these rings as a visual alert, yet many still underestimate its power. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that can paralyze muscles and stop breathing in minutes. Victims often remain fully conscious while their bodies betray them, a terrifying form of immobilization that leaves no margin for error. There is no known anti-venom, making any encounter potentially fatal. Even a minor bite from this small creature can be enough to overwhelm an adult human. Its potency is a reminder that in the natural world, size does not always correlate with danger. Despite its lethal nature, the blue-ringed octopus also inspires awe. Scientists study its venom not only to understand its mechanisms but also to explore potential medical applications. It is a perfect illustration of how beauty and danger can coexist in one of the most unexpected forms. 4. Stonefish. Lying perfectly still on the ocean floor, the stonefish is a master of disguise. Its rough, rock-like appearance makes it nearly invisible to the untrained eye, yet its appearance hides one of the most potent venoms among marine creatures. Divers stepping on one may unleash agonizing pain and even life-threatening reactions. The stonefish's venom is delivered through needle-like spines along its back, injecting toxins that attack the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Victims may experience intense swelling, tissue death, and in severe cases, heart failure. Local communities often refer to it as the devilfish for good reason. Once stung, survival is a race against time. Its camouflage makes encounters frighteningly easy, but also demonstrates evolutionary genius. By blending perfectly with its surroundings, the stonefish avoids predators and catches prey unaware, a lethal combination of stealth and raw toxicity. Researchers continue to study the stonefish's venom, seeking insights into pain mechanisms and potential therapeutic uses. The contrast between its inert, rocky form and the deadly power it conceals captures the imagination and keeps humans both fascinated and fearful. 5. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider, often called the banana spider, is a creature that lives up to its terrifying reputation. It prowls silently through the rainforest floor, rarely staying in one place for long. Its venom is so potent that it can paralyze or even kill small animals, and in humans, it can trigger severe neurological symptoms. Unlike many spiders that rely on webs to catch prey, the wandering spider hunts actively, seeking out targets with astonishing speed. Its agility and aggression make it a nightmare for anyone who crosses its path. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable, as the venom attacks the nervous system almost immediately. One of the most bizarre effects of its venom is a physiological reaction in men that has intrigued scientists for years. While it may seem like something out of a dark tale, this unusual symptom underscores the unpredictable power of nature. Despite its deadly potential, the spider plays a crucial role in controlling insect populations and maintaining ecological balance. Encounters are rare, but its reputation is legendary. The Brazilian wandering spider is a striking example of how danger often hides in plain sight, and why even the smallest creatures can inspire both awe and fear. 6. Box jellyfish. Gliding gracefully through the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, the box jellyfish is a vision of ethereal beauty. Its translucent body and long, trailing tentacles make it almost invisible, a ghostly presence beneath the waves. But each tentacle is lined with thousands of tiny nematocysts, capable of injecting a venom that is among the most potent in the animal kingdom. A sting from a box jellyfish causes excruciating pain, often followed by paralysis, cardiac arrest, and, in severe cases, death within minutes. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin simultaneously, leaving victims vulnerable almost instantly. Even experienced swimmers and divers must exercise extreme caution in areas where these creatures are known to roam. Local residents in northern Australia have developed protective gear and strict safety protocols, yet the box jellyfish continues to claim more lives than sharks or crocodiles in its territory. Its quiet presence in seemingly calm waters makes it all the more terrifying. Researchers study the box jellyfish not only to understand its venom but also to develop treatments that could save lives. This delicate yet deadly creature embodies the paradox of nature, elegance and lethality intertwined in perfect harmony. 7. King cobra. Towering over the forest floor, the king cobra is a creature that commands respect. Growing up to 18 feet long, it is the longest venomous snake in the world. Its size alone is intimidating, but what truly makes it dangerous is the sheer potency and volume of venom it can deliver in a single bite. Unlike other snakes, the king cobra can stand up and survey its surroundings, raising its hood in warning before striking with remarkable precision. Its venom attacks the nervous system, causing respiratory failure and eventual paralysis. Even large animals, including elephants, are vulnerable to this silent predator when provoked. Despite its deadly reputation, the king cobra is surprisingly intelligent. It hunts with strategy, often using its keen sense of smell to track prey and avoid unnecessary conflict with humans. This combination of lethality and cunning makes it one of the most feared and respected creatures in the animal kingdom. Scientific studies of the king cobra's venom have revealed potential medicinal applications, including neurological therapies. It is a powerful reminder that even the most terrifying predators can hold secrets that benefit humanity, blending danger with fascination in equal measure. 8. Deathstalker scorpion. From the arid deserts of North Africa and the Middle East emerges a tiny creature with a fearsome reputation, the deathstalker scorpion. Its pale body may appear fragile, but a single sting releases a cocktail of neurotoxins designed to immobilize and kill its prey almost instantly. The pain of its sting is legendary, described as an intense, burning sensation that courses through the body. Children and the elderly are most at risk, as the venom can cause seizures, respiratory distress, and even death without immediate medical intervention. Every encounter with this scorpion is a test of respect and caution. Interestingly, while its venom is deadly, it has also become a subject of medical research. Scientists are exploring its compounds for potential treatments against brain cancer and autoimmune diseases. This duality, a source of both harm and hope, adds layers to its dark allure. The deathstalker scorpion exemplifies nature's ability to blend danger, beauty, and potential benefits in a single, compact form. Small yet lethal, it proves that even the tiniest creatures can leave a massive impact on both our fear and our curiosity. 9. Sydney funnel web spider. In the suburban forests of Australia lurks a spider that has earned a fearsome reputation, the Sydney funnel web. Unlike many spiders that flee at the first sign of danger, this species will actively defend itself, sometimes even pursuing humans when threatened. Its venom is a powerful neurotoxin known as atrachotoxin, capable of causing severe symptoms and death within minutes if untreated. The Sydney funnel web's fangs are long and strong enough to pierce shoes, making even accidental encounters risky. Before the development of an effective anti-venom in the 1980s, bites from this spider were often fatal. Today, immediate medical attention is still critical, as the venom can trigger respiratory failure, excessive salivation, and intense pain. What makes this spider truly fascinating is its combination of aggression, speed, and biochemical power. Researchers study its venom to better understand nerve function and to develop therapies for neurological conditions, turning a creature of terror into a potential source of medical insight. Despite its deadly potential, the Sydney funnel web continues to inspire both fear and fascination. Its behavior, potent venom, and relative proximity to human habitats make it one of the most captivating and dangerous spiders on the planet. 10. Irukandji jellyfish. The Irukandji jellyfish is a master of stealth, almost invisible as it drifts through warm coastal waters. Smaller than a human fingernail, it carries a venom that triggers a syndrome so intense it feels as if the body itself is being attacked from within. Victims often experience excruciating muscle pain, nausea, elevated blood pressure, and an overwhelming sense of impending doom. Despite its minute size, the Irukandji's venom can be as deadly as that of much larger marine predators. Envenomation can lead to heart failure and extreme physiological stress, making encounters with this jellyfish a high-stakes gamble for swimmers and divers. Its tiny form belies the incredible power it wields, a stark reminder of how nature hides its deadliest threats in plain sight. The Irukandji is often found in the same waters as the box jellyfish, meaning that certain regions carry double risks for unsuspecting beachgoers. Protective measures, awareness, and caution are essential for anyone venturing into its territory, highlighting the delicate balance humans must maintain with nature's hidden dangers. Alongside mentions of other venomous creatures such as the flower urchin, the Gila monster, and venomous green snakes, the Irukandji jellyfish represents the ultimate paradox of nature, minuscule in size but monumental in impact. It teaches us respect, caution, and curiosity, leaving a lasting impression of how even the tiniest beings can be among the deadliest on Earth. As we reflect on the astonishing diversity of venomous creatures we've explored, it becomes clear that nature's brilliance is inseparable from its danger. From the smallest Irukandji jellyfish, no larger than a fingernail, to the towering king cobra, every animal on this list embodies a delicate balance between beauty and lethal power. Their existence reminds us that survival often demands evolution at its most extreme, and that even the tiniest form can wield unimaginable influence over life itself. Each of these animals teaches a lesson in respect. Their venom is not simply a tool of destruction, but a reflection of millions of years of adaptation, survival, and ingenuity. They highlight the unseen forces at work in ecosystems around the world, forces that shape not only life and death, but the very way we understand the fragile thread connecting all living things. There is an undeniable allure to their danger, a mixture of fear, fascination, and curiosity that draws us in. Yet, beyond the shock and awe, these creatures challenge us to confront our assumptions about size, strength, and the limits of power. In their world, the invisible can be deadliest, the overlooked can be most formidable, and the smallest drop of venom can create a profound ripple of consequences. So the next time you think about the animals around you, remember this: nature is a master storyteller, weaving lessons of respect, caution, and wonder into every scale, spine, and tentacle. These creatures are not just dangerous, they are magnificent reminders of the complexity and mystery that still exists in the world, waiting for those who dare to observe with both awe and humility. If this journey into the wild has captivated your curiosity, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the hidden, extraordinary corners of our planet. Leave a comment below telling us which creature fascinated or shocked you the most, and give this video a like if it opened your eyes to the incredible power and mystery of nature. The adventure doesn't end here, it's only just beginning.